Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk a little bit about creating online accounts. A quick primer on accessing the internet. New social distancing guidelines are requiring us to look at how we interact with the outside world in new ways and through the internet. And the way in which one accesses all of these websites, whether that's banking, grocery shopping, or social networking, is by creating an online account. And in order to do that, you're going to need two things. First, an email address that you can quickly and easily access. This could be a Gmail or a Yahoo account, or you may already have one through your home internet provider. You're also going to need a cellular phone that accepts text messages. It doesn't need to be a smartphone, but it would be a good idea to upgrade to an unlimited texting plan if you haven't done so already. We will discuss why in a little bit. Okay, password tips. First and foremost, make sure you write your password down and put them in a place where you can easily find them. I would suggest a small notebook near your computer where you can keep everything in one place. A lot of websites require passwords to contain things like uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. My suggestions on how to create a strong password are to find a longer word or phrase, something more than 8 letters, that is special to you. This could be the name of a relative, former employer, or a place you love. Then start to replace letters with similar looking symbols or numbers where possible. And avoid common phrases or sequential letters and numbers like ABC 1, 2, 3. Here's a quick example of how you can replace letters with numbers and symbols using a random word. I've done 4 different versions of the word television using the numbers 1 and 3, as well as the $ and exclamation point. One more important concept to cover is two-factor authentication, and this is an online security method that requires 2 pieces of technology to be used to access an account. In most cases, this would be your computer and a cellular phone. Two-factor authentication is the best way to protect your online account. It requires both a working email address and a cellular phone that accepts text messages. I would suggest to keep your cell phone handy when you are using online accounts. It will make this process easier. So how does it work? Log into your existing online account using your username or email address and password. You will then be prompted to send a text message to your cellular phone. That text message will contain a 6-digit code, which you will then use to re-enter back into the website when prompted. If you are interested in more information and resources, please visit the Center for Leadership website at newmanpublicsafety.com/resource-kit.